She's been quite busy collecting some yellow eggs and surprises. Shall we see what she's found? First of all, we have a large yellow Peppa Pig egg. I wonder what's inside. It's Rebecca Rabbit. And some jelly beans. Next, we have a small yellow surprise. Who's inside, I wonder? It's Luigi. He's yellow just like Molly. Let's see what's in the yellow Play-Doh ball. It's Chuck. He's very yellow, isn't he? Now we have a plastic yellow egg. Who's that inside? It's a minion. Last of all, we have a Spongebob egg. It's Spongebob! Well done, Molly. What a great collection.